Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn Google Form responses into a PDF. If you need to store, print, share Google Form responses as a PDF file, you can easily convert them through Google Sheets on the Responses tab. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to open the Google Form and go to the responses. And to do that, let's go to forms.google.com and open workspace.google.com /product/forms websites and make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Once you log in, go and open the form you want to turn the responses to a PDF. For example, this one. Now, the second step is to click on the responses tab. And to do that, just go to the responses here and click on it. Third step is to print the responses as a PDF. Now, before we do that, you have to click on the three dots menu in the responses tab. And now, as you can see in this form, I don't have any responses, so a lot of these options aren't available. Now, if you have any responses here, you're going to be able to download the responses as a CSV file, print all the responses, or delete all the responses. Now, to download as a PDF file, you're going to select print all responses, this option right here, the fifth option. Now, after you click on it and select print all responses, in the print dialog, select save as PDF instead of a printer. And after that, click save, then choose where to download the file. The third step is to convert responses in Google Sheets to a PDF. And to do that, now if your form is linked to a Google Sheets, open the spreadsheets. Now as you can see, it is linked to a spreadsheet, so I'm gonna click on view in spreadsheet. And here, you're gonna see the responses here. Click on file and click on save as or download and select the PDF option. And after that, select export and the PDF file will be downloaded. You can choose the location for the download. This method allows you to format the data before saving. Now, saving Google Forms responses as a PDF is a great way to store, archive, or share data. You can print individual responses or save the entire dataset in a structured format. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.